Hi friends, welcome to my first YouTube video ever. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I fill my eyebrows in very quickly, very beginner friendly. So let's just go ahead and get started. I always start off with brushing my eyebrows with a spoolie, and then I go ahead and grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in dark brown, and I'm underlining the bottom of my eyebrow and brushing it out with the spoolie. It's a constant back and forth. Underlining, filling in, brushing out. I then grab my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand Sable and any angled brush, and then I just clean up under my eyebrows. I never skip this step because this is what truly gives me that clean, crisp look. Grab any blending brush to blend that concealer out. You do not have to put concealer all around your eyebrow like I did. I don't always do this, it depends what mood I'm in, but you can simply just put concealer on the bottom of the brow and you should be good to go. All right, you guys, here I am doing my little dance. My eyebrows are done. They're on fleek. I'm happy. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. Please do subscribe and like and share. I'll see you in my next one.